a mode of public transportation. You can either take taxis or you can take these things. We're going to the Mescal factory. So every time I come to Puerto, I try to look for a place to go train Jiu Jitsu because it's just good to keep it sharp and keep it in practice even though I'm not in LA. We're gonna see how much food we can get for 10 bucks. ¿Cómo se llama?
Anona.
Anona. This is an anona. It's like it's como guanábana, ¿no? Sí. Sí, pero it's red. Es morado, ¿no? ¿Cuánto cuesta uno? 15. Okay, muy bien. Muy bien. So we're here again in La Punta. We're gonna go to this place called El Lichito. We're going to Zipolite. Minutos menos. We've arrived in Zipolite. It's about 11 a.m. We made good time from Zicatela and looks like there's some waves, so we're gonna go surf a new beach. I'm gonna put some sunscreen. After surfing. This is a really good quality sandbar. I mean, I was really surprised by how good the sand is and how peaky it is. I got out there and I got a couple. I didn't really get anything too good. I tried to pull into a couple bombs, a couple big ones, but didn't work out too well. Glad I didn't snap the board. I actually almost snapped it. There's a line, it's creased, it almost broke. So that's why I got out of the water, because I knew if I kept surfing I was gonna snap it in half. Easier to fix with just a little bit folded. So anyway, it's a sick wave. It's really like a mini Zicatela. It's fucking powerful. It's very hollow. It throws out, but it's actually different. For some reason, something about the barrel to me, because I'm not used to it, was a little bit harder to make than it is for me to make a wave at Zicatela. But I'm sure surfing here a few days and you get some sick ones. Big stingray also swam by me like 3 feet away, just cruising on by. I was like, it's actually hotter than Puerto, which is it's pretty hard to believe. It's like 100 degrees with 100% humidity, it feels like. But we're gonna go get some food. Gracias. So here we got we have these epic roasted peanuts that this lady with the basket on her head sold us. Eating them out the bag on the plate, and then we got micheladas. And this is actually the result of not being able to find a restaurant that's open. There's no fucking food to order on the whole damn beach. So had to order some beer and the peanuts that I had in my backpack. So, you know, apparently Wednesdays everything's closed.